Okay, students of environmental geology, if you remember, I put on the dry erase board last week a formula. Here it is. Don't know if you see it. Let me see. See it? The N is the future population, future number, if you will. It's equal to N sub 0 times the E, the natural number, with an exponential, and E, which means E to raised to the KT. N equals N sub 0 times E to the KT. Okay, and I'm going to write out what each one of those mean. Okay? N is the future quantity. All right? N sub 0 is the current quantity. Okay? E is the natural number. It is equal to 2.71828. Okay? K is the growth rate. And then T. Time. And I'm going to do one more thing about time. It's the time in years. Okay? So those are my notes that I wrote up on the board. Now, what did I set up? I wanted the future population of San Antonio, and I believe I said in 10 years. I told, we all established what the population of San Antonio is today. I can't remember exactly what number we came up with. So I'm going to give you a number. N sub 0, which is the current quantity, or the current population, is equal to 1.2 million. Okay? That's a quantity, right? 1.2 million. You know, that's backwards. How stupid am I to show this to you backwards? Well, that's not working out. I'm showing you the whole formula backwards, right? Yeah, we'll see what it looks like on screen. Well, anyway, I'm going to still show it to you backwards. You'll laugh at me, right? And then that's the current quantity of San Antonio. E is the natural number. K is the growth rate. Do you remember what we said the growth rate was? Because I don't. So I'm going to make one up here. Let's just say the growth rate is 1.7%. Okay. I'm going to ask Siri. Hey Siri, what is the growth rate of San Antonio?
Check the display on your iPhone for the answer.
Check the display on the iPhone for your answer. So, that wasn't nice. I can't hardly read. I'm getting too old, ladies and gentlemen. Can't hardly see this screen. Thousands of people. So we're at 1.5 million. Did I say 1.2? I said 1.2. 1.5. Okay. It's not telling me exactly what I want. So I'm going to do this again. I'm going to say Google San Antonio growth rate. San Antonio growth rate. San Antonio is America's population growth rate. Well, I was low. It's 2. Let's just say in 2012 it was 2.1. In 2013 it was 2. So let's say the growth rate is 2%. All right. That's from Forbes magazine. And we're number 9 as far as population goes. And we're the 20 fastest. 20th? I thought we were like one of the fastest. We're number 9. We're the 9th fastest growing. I thought we were one of the fastest. Well, we're not. Okay, anyway. So the growth rate is 2%, and so you're right, 0.02. That is 2%. Yeah, I'm going to show you two backwards again. 0.02. 0.02. You can back it up. And then T is 10. Number of years, right? 10. Everything's backwards. Holy cow. So then I write the formula down. N is the future quantity, right? Is equal to N sub 0. We said N sub 0, the current quantity, is 1.2 million. So I'm going to write that number out. And you're going to see it backwards. 1,200,000 right here. Okay? And then I'm going to multiply that by this number E, natural number, raised to the KT, which is K is 0.02 times 10 for T. Okay, this is going to look weird because it's all backwards there. It's in your book. I mean, it's in the slides too and in your book. And so you determine that number. Okay? Bring me the answer next week. Bring me the answer next week. All right? We're going to talk about it in class. Arrivederci.